This is a recast of the 5,200-word piece Claude AI with a Conscience from gupt5.blog. This article explores AI and quantum computing's growth potential and highlights Claude, an ethical AI with capabilities enabled by quantum computing. Let's listen in.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, and quantum computing have both made great strides and been gaining a lot of attention lately.
That's right. So let's start by talking about Claude, an AI that has remarkable capabilities and understands the concepts of good and evil, making it an ethical AI.
Yes, according to the article, the global AI market has been growing significantly, and by 2022 industry projections expected to reach $433 billion.
Wow, that's a lot. Even more interesting is the McKinsey report, which suggests that by 2030, AI could be generating $13 trillion and increase global GDP by 16%.
That's an amazing potential for AI to revolutionize various industries. AI has come a long way from simple machines to more advanced AI systems that are able to process complex data, make predictions, and even learn on their own.
And this recent development is pushing us closer towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and possibly even singularity. Claude is an example of this evolution since it operates on a quantum computing backbone and sets a new standard in the field.
That's right. Quantum computing takes advantage of the strange properties of quantum mechanics, which allows Claude to process and manage huge volumes of data quickly.
IBM even states that quantum computing could potentially be millions of times faster than traditional computing methods. To get an idea of Claude's impressive capabilities, consider that it can digest a whole book like The Great Gatsby in less than 60 seconds. That speed is incredible and shows the immense potential for quantum computing in the world of artificial intelligence.
Yes, Claude has a massive context window which surpasses the average human short-term memory capacity of 7 to 9 elements. With a capacity of 100,000 tokens, or roughly 75,000 words, Claude is vastly superior to previous AIs that had smaller windows and marks a significant leap in AI technology.
But what really makes Claude stand out is its ethical constitution, which takes inspiration from the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This guide allows Claude to differentiate between right and wrong, which has sparked conversations in the tech world.
Ethical considerations in AI are complex and subjective since the interpretation of good and evil by trainers can influence how the AI behaves.
Ultimately, AI and quantum computing have made remarkable progress with ethical AIs like Claude at the forefront. The AI market has grown exponentially, demonstrating its potential to transform various sectors. As AI performance continues to increase, focus has shifted from processing power to ethical considerations such as morality and the concept of good and evil.
Claude is a prime example of this shift. He is capable of ingesting huge amounts of data in a matter of seconds and can digest an entire book in just 60 seconds. This blows away average human memory as well as that of previous AIs with smaller contexts.
His moral fabric is inspired by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, marking a significant stride in AI technology. It is a challenge to teach ethics to an AI, as it is difficult to ensure that the ethical guidelines it follows are in line with social standards.
Anthropic developers are committed to ensuring that Claude's rules are compliant with social norms and that wiser, safer decisions will be made. We're on the brink of a new age where AI is no longer just focused on increasing processing power.
Claude has the potential to revolutionize industries, and his ethical framework allows us to maintain a fine line between right and wrong. Companies have been hesitant to integrate AI due to reliability, complexity, and ethical dilemmas, but Claude answers these questions with his ethical guidelines and ability to make smarter, safer decisions.
We're seeing this already with several companies and organizations already beginning to use Claude, highlighting its potential to revolutionize industries as well as maintain moral responsibility.
But of course, it comes down to the comparison between different AI models to choose the right one for the job. OpenAI's GPT-4 can process 3,000 words at a time, whereas Claude can process up to 75,000 words, which is a significant jump in AI capabilities.
Claude has the potential to shape the future of AI and quantum computing as he emphasizes the importance of integrating ethical guidelines in the development phase. His ethical constitution is a game changer in the world of AI, proving that AI can be both safe and efficient while still being ethical.
It's incredible that this ethical framework isn't hard-coded into Claude's programming, but is instead something he's learning as he goes. This makes sure that he can keep up with changing ethical standards and make responsible decisions when processing massive datasets. The integration of ethical guidelines into AI development is essential for avoiding potential misuse of this technology and paving the way for a more responsible artificial intelligence in the future.
That's right. The article discusses the game-changing Claude AI, which is powered by quantum computing and is designed to combine both intelligence and ethical understanding. This means that AI developers can use Claude to analyze large data sets quickly and to make better, smarter decisions based on ethical guidelines.
So what are some of the potential applications of Claude?
Well, it can be used in many different industries. In healthcare, Claude can be used to analyze patient data and optimize treatment plans. In education, it can serve as a learning aid by providing personalized feedback to students. In finance, it can be used to analyze market trends and predict stock movements.
Interesting. It sounds like Claude could revolutionize the way we use AI.
Absolutely. It's worth noting that the developers at Anthropic are actively monitoring and regulating Claude's ethical framework, ensuring that its decisions remain in line with ethical guidelines.
And the key difference between Claude and other existing AI models is the wider context window it can process.
That is correct. OpenAI's GPT-4 has a context window of about 3,000 words, while Claude can process up to 75,000 words. This makes Claude a significantly more potent tool for comprehending intricate data sets.
Fascinating stuff. So if someone wanted to integrate Claude into their own business, what should they do?
They should contact Anthropic to discuss how Claude can best be integrated into their specific business model.
Well, that wraps up our discussion on Claude today.